Whoa, Minecraft Explorers. Want to soar forever with a totally epic God Elytra in Minecraft 1.2, 1.5? This 2-minute guide's got you flying high. If this rocks, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's glide in. A God Elytra's just an Elytra with Unbreaking 255, so it never breaks, giving you infinite flight. Sweet, right? Step 1. Launch Minecraft Java Edition 1.2, 1.5. Jump into any world, survival, creative, or a new one. I'm hitting up my survival world here. Step 2. If you're in a world, hit ESC to pause, click Open to LAN, flip Allow Cheats to On, and hit Start LAN World. Done in like 5 seconds. For a new world, just turn on Allow Cheats in the creation menu before starting. Step 3, press T to open the chat. That's your command hub. Type this command. Grab it from the description to copy paste, because it's a bit tricky. This spawns an Elytra with max unbreaking. Hit enter, and boom! The God Elytra's in your inventory, ready to shine. Step 4, equip it in your chest slot, find a high spot, like a cliff or tower, and jump to glide. Hold space to use firework rockets for a boost, and check this out. You can fly forever without the durability bar budging. I soared across oceans and it's still perfect. If the Elytra doesn't show, recheck the command or make sure cheats are on. Pro tip, save the command in a note for next time. That's it, you're a sky god. Like, subscribe, and drop your favorite place to fly in the comments. Peace out, catch you next time.